make sure and like, subscribe, and hit the notification button up there somewhere. So for Father's Day, I've been tasked to install the new dryer cord at the new house. So we've already associated that we've got a red, a white, and a black. And we'll put our green one here. So let's do that now. Pretty easy stuff. But, you know, honeydews are real. They're all bitching in the background. Blah, 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 blah. Fun part's gonna be routing the new cord in place. Gimme. There we go. You know, it may not be a car, but, you know, when it comes to being a mechanic, we could do anything we put our minds to. Shove that in through there. Pull this back around. Now we pull the tape off of that.
We got enough here that we can make do.
I wonder if he would start using a puppy pad.
Shit, he might. Little horn dog. Trigger.
Y'all had those.
Are you triggered? Triggered?
What?
I'm talking to the dog.
Oh,
When
Triggered?
I moved into the duplex with y'all put down puppy pads.
yeah, but
He don't give a fuck. He says I got 0 fucks to give.
I would put it by the door over here.
My dog has 0 fucks to give, y'all. Alright, I'm set one there.
Yeah, she's like.
Trying to do this one-handed is kind of fun. It's a challenge, I guess you could say. White. And just kind of stab it in the hole. Make sure you go back before you go forward. Loosen that back just a little bit. Move that wire over there. That way it's right in the middle. And these are the, you know, little things in life that one typically gets to enjoy in his older years. Motherfucker, get over here. Twist that wire the way we need it. Look at it on. Put it in place. Kind of hold it, you know, as you pilot it through there. It's really not difficult. I mean, you're just following the wire colors. Just position it how you need to once you get it in place. Oh, this hurt my back, I tell you what. I'm sitting there holding this phone consistently trying to show y'all this. Boom. Alright, there. It's 3 minutes in. And then that one goes there. And now the AC unit behind me kicks on. So as I stated earlier, it might seem like it's bullshit work, but at the end of the day, gotta fix something. You can't be calling people every 5 minutes to fix all your problems. Start spending a lot of money, you do that. Now, y'all notice that that's kind of like this. We'll shove that wire in. need an 8mm out of that bag. Yeah, bring it to me.
That pokey thing really hurts. I was poking through the bag and almost poking my nose.
Well, don't poke through the bag. I'm sorry. Oh, it's not looking like I have the right tools. Cannot find my 8mm. Isn't that cool? Babe? There, babe. I found it.
Recording?
Making a how-to.
Oh, that's what I thought.
A how-to on Father's Day.
That bad?
No.
Nothing.
Now, shove that cord in so I get more length and shove it back in and complete our ground. Oh, come on.
Oh, monster here.
Okay. Get both of them together. God, that did make that process a whole lot better. As far as holding the camera whenever I did it. Okay, so we've got our ground, green, black, white, red. Now, we'll see if this thing starts up.
God, they've got the perfect yard for that. They have this little slide out. They have this little slide out.
Get this plate, slide our plate back in, if it'll fit. I'm just gonna put the plate. Yeah, I'm just gonna put the plate just like that. Doesn't need to be extravagant, as long as it covers. I gotta get screws.
Go lay down. Be big. Go lay down. Lay down. Time for nap. Yeah, time for nap. Can you tuck you in? Tuck you in. Make sure you don't have any leftover parts, like forgetting to put screws back in, seemingly unnecessary holes. You always want to have all your screws in place. That's just good mechanicking. So, I had removed this screw, and this to slide that out. With the new installation, we're in place. I'll go ahead and unscrew this and see if I can get it to sit properly. Don't want to have to do this twice. There. As you can see, It's now back in the hole like it's supposed to be. Damn. Lipped in on both sides. Even. Uniform. Now, let's proceed to... It only took 10 minutes. Not a bad job. I mean, it's going to be a little bit of a long video. I'll try and shorten it up a little bit. But not really bad at all. I mean, I used a 1/4 inch and an 8mm. That was it. Not a very difficult job to do, gentlemen. Yes, I understand most of you don't have a electric ratchet or tools at your disposal, but if you'll notice, I didn't have a special tool. A normal bit hex 1/4 inch drive is the same size as the screws on the back. These are all 1/4 inch, and then the other one, the ground it was in there, was an 8, and then all the main wires that connected this were 1/4 inch as well. So 2 tools, that's all you need. 2 tool job in 10 minutes. So we're plugged in. What do you think? You think it's gonna work? Oh. Oh, look at that. Like a charm. Like a charm. And a nice clean dryer too. As we take care of our items. I've put a new coil, thermal switch, thermostat, and thermal element as well, all in this dryer. That was about $30 some odd for a kit on Amazon. So dryer's been a really good dryer for my wife. She really does like it. It's a Kenmore, a little dirty, so it was in the garage, but we'll get it cleaned up and put it in service. Fixing stuff. All right. Done. And this one's done as well. Didn't make a video on a washing machine because, well, if you can't figure out how to hook up a hot and cold, maybe you shouldn't be around a wrench.